That's my custom cruiser FXR cable, or also any other up to 06 5-speed bike, okay, which will be 59.5 inches long. So if you're doing something, this actually fits officially FXR 4, which is one of the last FXRs ever made, out of 2000, and also the bad boy, okay, which is 95 to 97. But obviously if you've got slightly different handlebars and you need a cable that is 59.5 or good as 60 inches long, most of the stock ones 55, 56, okay, unless it's a soft tail. But on the FXRs and some of the bikes, you know, obviously this is perfect cable for you. This is what you call platinum, okay, it's like a silver metallic with a covering. So very well made, Barnett, you know, USA, top of the range stuff here. You can see here, nice adjuster, very well made, comes complete with a cover, and obviously your boot as well. If you're interested in this or any others, we've got FXR, we've got Softail, we've got bagger cables, we've got black, braided is what we mainly do. And also if you're after ABS, etc., we do brake hoses in the same sort of thing. Give us a bell, 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site custom-cruisers.myshopify.com. It's got 43,000 products on and more going on daily. Okay, thank you.